Hey guys, welcome back to the MotionBud. Today I'll show you how to create a smooth animated blur effect on text in After Effects. First, let's create a new composition and I'll name mine blur effect. Set the resolution to 1920 and 1080 and choose the black background. Click OK. Next, grab the type tool and type in your desired word. For this example, I'll go with vision. Hit the S key to bring up the scale properties and make it larger. Now let's align it to the center. Okay, now right click the timeline and select new and then solid. Name it black background and click OK. Drag this solid layer to below your text layer. Select both layers, right click and choose pre-compose. Name it something like text precom and click OK. We need another solid layer. Right click and choose new and then solid and name this one to blur gradient. Click OK. Now go to the effect and preset, search for the gradient and drag the 4-color gradient effect onto this layer. Now let's adjust the gradient. Change 2 of the color to white and the other 2 color to black. You can move the color stops around the edges to gradient look. Next, right click and select new adjustment layer. Name this layer to blur and then go to the effect and preset, search for compound blur and drag it to this blur layer. In the compound blur effect, set the blur layer to blur gradient and change the source to effect and mask. Increase the maximum blur amount around to 20 or 25, but feel free to tweak it based on your preference. To make the blur smoother, let's add the camera lens blur. Go to the effect and preset and search for the lens blur. Drag this effect onto the blur layer. In the lens blur setting, set the blur layer to blur gradient and the source to effect and mask. Increase the blur radius until the effect feels nice and smooth. Now let's animate the effect. Go to the blur gradient, move the playhead to the first second and activate the stopwatch for the gradient properties and start adjusting to position to color stop to create movement. To make the animation smoother, select all the keyframe, right click and choose keyframe assistant, easy ease. This will help to smooth out the transition between your keyframes. So that's how you create the smooth animated blur effect on text in After Effects. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.